god, no. What's up everybody, it's your girl Key and I am back with a new video. I'm kind of like excited about today's video and hype but nervous at the same time. So I'm going to attempt to do this 5-minute makeup challenge. Whoever created this challenge did not intend for anybody to succeed, because how do you do your makeup in 5 minutes? Especially if you do your makeup, like if you really beat your face. I don't know how you do that in 5 minutes. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to attempt to do this, and I might have half a brow, a quarter of a lip, teeny bit of eyeliner, smudge mascara. We're just going to go with it and we're going to see how this goes, because this is about to be your comedy. So I have already cheated just a little bit, you know. I have my stuff laid out. So I'm going to start with a little brow, and then I'm going to do some mascara and a little bit of eyeliner and I guess some foundation, but I don't see it going any further than that. I also have some water. I'm gonna take a sip of my water. I can't even drink my water because I'm so nervous. So I've got my timer set for 5 minutes and 0 seconds. And I'm getting ready to start this timer. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm going to try to like even my brows up. They're horrible. Oh my god, no. No. Alright, well look, that one's just about to stay. How much time do I have left? Oh my god. Oh my god. See, I told y'all, like, you can't do anything in 5 minutes. Well, look, my brows are just about to be like this because there's just not much we can do with 5 minutes. Okay. So now I am going to do some eyeliner because, yeah, I'm gonna do some eyeliner. Just throw some eyeliner on here. Oh, frick. I'm eyelining my eyeball. Y'all, don't laugh at me. If you're watching this and you're laughing, shame on you. This is not gonna be good. And I don't think it's intended to be good. I think it's just for you to see like what you can do in 5 minutes. Nothing. Alright, so I'm about to go in with some mascara because I need something to make my eyes pop, because I have absolutely no eyeshadow on. I'm about to have mascara all over my eye. Oh no! Oh my god, why did I set myself up for this? Oh my god, I got mascara in my eyeball. Y'all, I got mascara in my eyeball. Now I can't see. Oh I just put mascara like all over my face. Guys. Alright, let's do a time check. Oh my god, I have 25 seconds left. Oh my god, Jesus freaking Christ. I have 14 seconds left to just put some foundation. My foundation doesn't want to work. This is just horrible. I didn't do it. Guys, this is horrible. This is horrible. This is what my 5-minute makeup challenge looks like. I needed if I had 2 more minutes, I could have got my foundation on. So I was at least able to do my brows and a little bit of eyeliner and some mascara, and I attempted to put some foundation on my face. That was fun. A little nerve-wracking. But it was fun. It was fun, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and if you like this video, please leave some comments because I will do some more challenges. Like, they have a ton of makeup challenges out there. So I'll do some more challenges if you guys like this video. Comment, and as always, subscribe. Tell your friends to come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you guys for tuning in.